Hello students of Standard 6. How are you? Fine. Good. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School Sitasongi. This is your social science teacher Nitin Pushpatode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have completed the topic the planet Earth and the solar system. Students, today we will start the topic of community life, unity in diversity. Okay students, let's start. First of all, I am telling you about the community, what it means. Listen students, the community in which we live consists of the family, the school and the neighborhood. That means the family, the school and the neighborhood, these are the most important factors include in a community. Students, we are living in the family, then around us there are the many neighbors, and again for the learning purpose just we go to the school. So these things just consist and just include in a community. Okay students, man is called a social animal. Man is called a social animal. Man cannot live without a society or community. The society provides security and support to everyone. Listen students, why we call such like the society provides security and support to everyone? Why we called? It is due to a human nature and our necessity that we enjoy living in a community. Students, the family is living in close to one another. Yes, we are observing, we also living. Okay, we also living in a family, and around us many families are there. In our village many families are living with each other. Okay students, the families living close to one another in a particular area form a neighborhood. Form a neighborhood, that means many family just combinedly just form a neighborhood. Living together helps in a solving various kinds of problems by mutual give and take. Students, for any time, for anywhere just we will require the help, definitely our neighbor just help to us, and we also help to them. Okay, so it's a group of neighbors just consist of village or a city. A group of neighbors consist of village or city, then many villages and cities together form a country. Students, many villages and cities together form a country. First of all, group of neighbors form a village or city, then many villages and cities together form a country. So okay, so students, in the word, no country can meet the demands of its people independently. That means no one just fulfill their all to all needs independently, so everyone should have a depend on one another. Okay, so hence students, every family, neighborhood, village, city or a country has to depend on one another for the other things, for the other purpose. Okay, we should also depend on one another for a different purpose. Okay students, then in our daily life we require the services. Students, in our daily life we require the many services, like first of all students, teacher. That means the education service. Students, one picture is given. Observe that this is the picture of just a learning and teaching process. Okay, teacher is there. Students, so teaching, that means the education service is the most important service in our community. For the learning purpose, this service is a require. Okay, so students, this is the teacher. Teacher helps students to acquire knowledge. Teacher helps students to acquire knowledge. He plays an important role in our life to become successful in a career and or business. Okay, so and in such a that teacher play an important role in our life to become a successful in a career and a business. So in such a way that for the development of the society, for the development of the nation, education service is most required. Okay students, next one, this is the picture of electrician. Observe that student, this is the picture of electrician. Okay, this is also the community service. Listen, electrician work with the electrical power. They install, test and maintain the wires, lighting, again the fixtures in a home. So for the different purpose with respect to the power supply, so electricians are working in a community or the society. So this is the one type of most important community service. Next one students, shopkeepers. Yes, selling and buying process. Suppose we want to just buy any clothes and the others, so definitely we will go to the cloth shops. Okay, so shopkeepers are, so this is also the community service. Okay, next one students, farmer. Yes, already we know that about the farmer. Farmer is a person engaged in agriculture and raising the living organism for the food or the raw material. Okay students, just he cultivated the land and produced agriculture product, so definitely this is also the community service. He just produce a food, definitely it forward it toward the people, toward the society for food purpose. Okay so this is the most important community service. Next one students, tailor, not a trailer. This is the picture of tailor. Okay students, already you know that about the tailor. Tailor is the person whose job is to make a cloth, so that means making cloth by the tailor. So this is also the community service. Okay students, in such a way that in our daily life we require many services. In our daily life we require the services like the farmers, tailors, electricians, plumbers, shopkeepers, teachers, doctors, and many more specialists and the skilled worker. Okay students, so lastly we can say that the interdependence in every sphere of life, listen students, the interdependence in every sphere of life promotes a feeling of togetherness, belongingness, and a social well-being. Listen students, this is the most important point. This interdependence, we are living in a community, definitely we depends on one another, so this is called the interdependence. So the interdependence in every sphere of life promotes a feeling of togetherness, belongingness, and the social well-being. Okay students, so in such a way that today we will learn about the subtopic what interdependent community and the interdependence. Okay, again students, we just discussed about the community services like education, that means teachers, electricians, shopkeepers, farmers, and tailors, whatever, okay, etc. Students, on the basis of today's content, one assignment question I am giving you. So question is in front of you, you have to write the answer of this question. Okay students, remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Thank you very much.